for every vehicle produced in the world. A symphony of data is created and aligned with thousands of players. But to create a masterpiece, data alone isn't enough. A precise orchestration is vital so all parts can think and work as one. Sintel works for more than 3 decades orchestrating the automotive supply chain in order to keep the perfect rhythm, transforming data into information, and by that, helping companies make the best decisions. Oh, that's music for the ears. Now we are taking our products and services on a world tour, launching a new global platform with cutting-edge technology and our global operations center,
supporting companies anywhere, anytime.
So hello world, nice to meet you. This is the new Sintel, and we are here to connect your company to any player in the world, help you scale your information capabilities, and evolve your logistics and supply chain processes. Let's create a masterpiece together. Sounds good?
Sintel. Connect, scale, evolve.